name is Halliday-Larsen and I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator. Today I want to show you how quick and easy it is to make an easel card. The thing that I really love about the easel cards is it has its own little built-in stand, and I think it's a pretty cool way to be able to show off your card front. Okay, so let's start by telling you what size pieces of card you need to be able to make a 10 centimeter square card. So the first piece that you'll need, which is going to be the base card, is going to be 20 centimeters by 10 centimeters, and you're going to score it in the middle at 10 centimeters and also at 5 centimeters. The next size piece of card you'll need is a 10 centimeter square piece of card, and for the actual card front, this little piece here, I have cut that one there at a 9 centimeter square piece. I've also got a little 2 by 6.5 centimeter square piece, and that's actually going to act as a little stopper, which is going to allow the card to be able to stand up as an easel card. I've also got 2 black pieces of card. The first black piece is 9.5 centimeters square, and the other one is 2.5 by 7 centimeters. Okay, so what we're going to start off by doing is taking the piece of card which you've scored at 10 and 5 centimeters. I always use a bone folder because a bone folder gives a nice sharp crease. And I line up that my corners are nice and straight, and then flatten. And then I'm going to do exactly the same thing again with the 5 centimeter fold. Okay, so I actually call this my little Z look, because it kind of looks like a Z when you finish. And this is going to be the base of your actual card. So now what you want to do is add some adhesive onto the little flap, and this is going to be creating the stand for the card. Now what I always do when I'm actually putting my piece of card on is I lie it flat and I just peel off one piece of the tape, and this will allow me to be able to make sure that my card is nice and straight. So I line it up on the top and make sure the top edge is flat and also the side edge. Once I've done that, then I'll just bend it back and I'll take off the other 2 pieces of adhesive backing. Okay, so that's the base of your easel card made. Okay, so as you can see, I've already pre-stamped quite a lot of the images. This is just to sort of speed it up a little bit, and I know you all know how to stamp. Okay, so what I'm going to start off doing is I've stamped the bones, because this here is the darker image, and I've always found that if you stamp the lighter image on top, it's easier to be able to get the two to be able to line up. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is the 2-step stamping, and I'm going to line that image up over the top. Okay, so now what you want to do is create a little stop point on the base of your card, and this will allow your easel to be able to stand up on the angle that you want. And then what you're going to do, once you're happy with the angle, you're going to pop it onto the card front. Like I said, you've got your little stopper. Now what you want to do to be able to line up the little bite marks on your card is you're going to lay the little piece of white card on the top. And then what I do is I put a little mark showing whereabouts I actually want to be able to stop and start the bite marks. So I do here, and then I use a little 7/8 inch scallop circle punch, and I just go through and put some of the bite marks in there. So you can see that I've lined it up with the little mark that I've made. And having done the stamping will make sure that you don't actually go over any of the area that you don't want to. Right, so the next thing that you're going to do is pop it back in place, and then you're going to be working out roughly where the little footprints are, because you want to have your little footprints lining up as well. So you can see it's roughly about there, so when I go through I'm just going to pop my little footprints on like that. Okay. And then you can go through and do your little footprints around the base of your card as well. Now, as you'll notice on the card, I've actually done quite a grunged look around it, on the base and on the front. So all I've done for that is I've just got my Sahara Sand ink, and I've used one of the stamps out of Timeless Textures. Now, because I don't want it to be too dark, what I do is I stamp off the image first, and then I just randomly go around on my piece of card. And it just creates that fun grunged look. And I finish it off by just lightly going over with a sponge. And then all you need to do is pop your little saying in place, and that's your easel card finished, ready to give away. And that's what the end result looks like. If you'd like more information about this card, then pop on over to my website, createwithstamps.co.nz. Thanks for watching my video. Bye.